Here we have the Gigabyte Aero. The model I have costs $1,800, 512 gigabyte SSD, GTX 1660 Ti, 16 gigabytes of RAM, 15-inch 4K Samsung OLED. And here's the unboxing. Let's just get straight into this. Sorry for the awkward view. I do not have anything to hold my phone at the moment, so I'm gonna have to make do what is due. Improvise. Here we go. Box. Aero. Alright, let's continue the unboxing. Please check contents if seal is broken. Seal is not broken. Take this off. I want the 17-inch model, and I could have gotten it, but it was $200, $300 more, and Gigabyte decided to just half the storage, so I would have gotten only 256 gigabytes of SSD. So what the fuck, Gigabyte? They could have had more of my money, but they decided to cheap on storage. Oh, okay, let's see what you get. Straight out the box. Okay, I opened it up. Open it upside down. Oh my goodness. It smells new. Oh my god, it has a weird smell to it. Okay, here we go. Alright, let's check this bad boy out. Let's pull it out for the first time. Oh my goodness. I'll just do it like this. Ooh. Oh my. It's not polished on the front. It's all okie dokie. And here's all the paperwork. Get this opened up right quick. Is that it? There's something else in there. Let's see. Oh no, that's it. This is the paperwork. Yep. By Aero. I think that's all in that box. And then here, we probably get the battery. All that good stuff. Ah, yes we do. And that's it for this unboxing. And here's under the keyboard. And as you can see, Phillips head screwdriver, or whatever the fuck it is. And it's very, very tiny. Like, wow. I thought it was gonna be bigger than this. But luckily I got a tiny screwdriver though. Then there's the vents. Very big. And those are the speakers. Yep. That's the fans all around here. Alright. One-handed. Oh, it can't be opened one-handed. It is glossy as fuck. Oh well. Alright. Get rid of all these stupid damn stickers. So got a fingerprint scan right there. Wow. Got all your stickers right there. Can I peel this off? Oh yeah, I can peel that off. Oh, look at that webcam. Let's just slide that there. Alright. Plug that in the trash. Alright, let's see how to turn this thing on. Is it one press or two press? Oh, I guess it's press and hold. Whew, okay, so we're back. I sound fussy. Here we go. Finally got this thing to power on. All these RGB lights. I'm gonna turn that shit off immediately. Yeah, I had to plug it in and get this turned on. I did not touch the instruction book at all. Keyboard feels really nice. It's a little bit too far to the left, just a little bit. but still very comfortable to type on. Gigabyte. Let's see how big the power brick is. Ain't that big, pretty standard. Plugged in and down there. Feels very, very, very premium. It's not as flimsy as everyone says it is. And still stays open. Feels very stable and good to me. These are stronger than I thought. Alright, finally we got the device set up. And it feels so incredibly smooth to use. And it just started. And the fans are already just a tiny bit loud. I'm gonna see if I can fix that later. Oh, the control center's right here. See what that's about. Oh, okay, here we go. Smart manager. Let's go to device. Okay. I'm gonna have to learn this crap later. Oh my goodness. Control panel. My device just got resetted. So, fusion. Oh yeah, I'm gonna turn these RGB lights off because they're annoying the fuck out of me. Let's keep it quiet. Oh, that's so much better. Quiet. There you go, that's all I needed. I'm gonna turn the fuck out these lights off. How do that? Oh, that's not how you do it. Off. Just off. There we go. I'm gonna just turn it on to give it some backlight brightness, and that's it. I'm not an RGB guy. Let's check out this display or the settings right quick. Get the color profile right here. I ain't gonna mess with that. Place your games and apps. That's interesting. The size and text of apps. Let's go in here. Scroll down. You can downscale the resolution right here. Pretty cool. Projecting multitasking tablet mode. All your basic Windows stuff. And that was the unboxing of the Gigabyte Aero 15 OLED. And thank you for watching.